Eto guys, final minutes na lang. MPBL Championship. Mukhang wawalisin ng Quezon guys. Wala pang panalo. Wala na. Wala na pag-asa to. Ilang segundo na lang guys. Winalis ang Quezon. Back-to-back champion ng Pampanga. Ayan na oh. Oh, medyo live to live. Lumalabo yung ilang 24 seconds. Anim. Pwede sana kung dalawang tres. Kaso may hirapan na to guys. Time out. Pero wala na to guys. Home court pa ng Pampanga. Ayan na, pinapauwi na yung Quezon. Wala na, sure win na to. Ang pagtatapos ng season. Mukhang next season maganda ang laban kasi magiging PBA na si Balti. Mukhang medyo hihina ang Pampanga. Baka ang mag-aari na naman dyan yung mga dating malalakas. Mga Nueva Ecija, yan, San Juan. Ayaw pang tapusin. 24 seconds na lang, tapusin nyo na. Ayan, si Congressman, no? Ayan, one possession na lang yan. Eh kung ganyan, 6 lamang, quick 3 yan. Wala, oh.
That's a reviewable play. Our referees will or can't check if that really was Quezon basketball. Gonzalez will now return for Domark Madiliano. Let's see. Touched it last. Ooh.
Nakaapak. Hindi na ni-review. Oh. Naka-trace pa. 13 seconds.
Medyo nag-relax sila dito defensively. You look at that. They were trying to get Gonzalez open on the top side, but they were not paying a lot of attention to Jodel Fuentes, who was the inbounder on that play. He was able to get into Sandagon and just waited for the right time to get it back from him on that.
Patay oras na lang to.
That outside shot, but I think the referees are checking if it was indeed a three-pointer.
Kundi foul. Pero wala na to. "13 seconds, tatlo lamang guys ng Pampanga." Dalihan nyo na, tapusin nyo na yan. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Are anxious on their home floor as they're holding on to a 3-point advantage with 13 seconds remaining. But as Javi mentioned, there is a review ongoing as to whether or not
13
that
seconds.
shot by Jodel Fuentes was actually a three-pointer.
Patay oras na lang yan pag ganyan.
If there would be a call overturned, then this would be a drastic change for the Huskers. It will be a two-possession matchup. That really puts them a step away from trying to get this victory against Pampanga and pull off
Ang habol dito ng Quezon, tabla.
It does get overturned and the lead will go back to 4. Na talaga mahirapan na sila makabalik dito, but it has been ruled that it is a 3-point shot after the review.
Kaya na.
Pampanga still pleading the case for
Inbound. Saan ang inbound?
even though there was already a ruling. They're asking for it to be shown here in the venue. But then, our players have to be conscious about it, have to be ready to move on. As it looks, we have Serrano, Garcia, Concepcion, Egilos, and Baltazar for Pampanga. Playing defense are Gravera, Tamsi, Opiso, Sandagon, and Fuentes.
Tagal, timeout uli.
Another timeout as the referees continue to review.
Kailangan sa point guard nila yan. Magaling. Hindi mahagawan.
Delta Pineda making sure there's no stone left unturned in reviewing that last shot. Let's just get it right. The curious part for me was actually in that last play for Quezon wherein hindi na rin review ng ating mga referees yung isang out of bounds possession. That's usually a reviewable play, but they decided to go on and keep the possession with Quezon. Some people are already wearing back-to-back championship shirts here inside the venue. They did bring their very own banners. Hindi ba pinrovide ng Pampanga yung mga yan? Dinala nila yan. Pinagawa nila yan. The review continues and now we have our own. Oh, very close. Very, very close. Tough. There seems to be a part of the front of his shoe stepping onto that three-point line. That's a very tough call to make, especially in a situation like this. It could be very controversial. And this could change the game. Exactly.
Wala na yan. Tatlo lamang. Kung may 4 point, pwede.
Will there be another review? Our referees go
Tagal ng review, guys.
13 seconds. Coach Eric Gonzalez with his team talking amongst each other. They're fighting for survival. Game 4 possibly will happen this coming Tuesday in Quezon. Game 5 possibly as well if necessary. That's next Friday here in Pampanga. The Giant Lanterns, as Javi has been mentioning, have been undefeated on their home floor for 2 years now. They've been undefeated in the playoffs as well for these past 2 seasons. It's Balti Baltazar wanting that beautiful exit
Tagal.
in our beautiful league.
Tagal ng review.
The same might actually apply to a couple of his teammates. That's true. Enzo Serrano, you never know, might actually return to the PBA. Archie Concepcion might return to the PBA. And we did see that a lot of these Kapampangans got drafted in the recent draft. And I did hear that MJ Garcia might also join Justin Baltazar at Converge. Here you go. So that's virtually their whole starting lineup. Which also begs the question, how will Pampanga look like next year here in the MPBL? I'm seeing a couple
Ayan
of
na.
on the sideline, Arvin Santos, Calvin Abueva. Nasali na ba sila dito? Next year. We already saw Arvin last year play for Pampanga. And he has said that, he's not yet overplaying. Ayaw niya pa mag-retire. So there might be a chance we might see him next year in the next MPBL season. And I think the decision will be upheld here, Migs. Pampanga looking up to their LED screen. Expect a reaction from the crowd. are ready to move on. And they still will not
Yan na, yan na.
as a 2-point
Tagal ng review.
64-61.
Ayan, 13 seconds na lang. Tapusin nyo na. Nangangalay na ako.
Can Quezon force a turnover?
Ayan, pagtatapos ng season ng MPBL.
Sideline inbound for Jimo
Next
Equinos.
year na naman.
Meeting a teammate, he goes to Archie, double teamed, and there's the foul. 2 free throws for Archie.
2 free throw. Ayan.
Out of everybody on the floor for Pampanga, this is the guy
10 seconds.
who did not want the foul, Archie Concepcion. I was expecting them to make a pass available to Baltazar. I'm talking about the Quezon defense, or maybe even Jamo Equinos. But they let Archie Concepcion meet the basketball near the half line.
Pag na-shoot yan, wala na.
Had to be given up. The first
Apat.
for Royal,
Delikado na yan.
that's no good.
Wala. Isa pa.
With 10.9 seconds remaining, if Archie misses this, it's a one-possession game and Quezon will have a chance to tie.
Kailangan mabigyan niya ng isang shoot para hindi makatay.
The door is still slightly ajar here for the Huskers. Wala na po silang timeout. Concepcion. He makes it.
Oh, wala na.
Gonzalez to play it fast. Who will shoot it? LJ hands it off. Fuentes for 3. No good.
Wala na.
And there you have it. The Pampanga Giant Panthers are
Wala na, talo.
back-to-back champions
Talo Quezon guys, uwi na.
in history.
Champion, champion. Pampanga na naman, back to back. Ayan na oh. Galing. Sweep. Wala man lang na ipanalo yung Quezon, no?
What an impressive achievement for a franchise that just a couple of years ago
Ayan na, champion na guys.
contention.
Bye-bye.